Hello everyone, today we will talk about how we can set up the maintenance type in Business Central, how we can link the maintenance to the fixed asset, and how to check the fixed asset that need maintenance and post it. So basically, Business Central offers you the option to manage the maintenance in Business Central in a way that you can post and related every maintenance with the fixed asset that you have. Please subscribe my channel and add your comments. I am more than happy to answer any questions that you may have. So let's go to Business Central and check how we can do this. So first, what we need to do here in Business Central is to set up the type of maintenance that we can have. So let's go here to Explore, then Fixed Asset, and then here in the setup we have this item maintenance. And here you can set up the type of maintenance that you can have. So here I did two simple examples, like that is the more usual kind of maintenance that you can have. That means that could be repair because your machine is broken, so you need to execute this. Or then is like this kind of maintenance that you do in a regular base, like every month or every year, in order to keep your fixed asset okay and running in a good way. So here basically what you need to do is just go create a code and then add a description to this code. Then what you need to do is go to the fixed asset and add some information about the maintenance in the fixed asset. So let's go to the fixed asset card and see what we can do in Business Central. So let's open this fixed asset, and you have here one tab that is specific for maintenance. What you can do here is specify what is your vendor that is good to keep here, and the vendor that you bought the machine, and then the vendor that you will be responsible to for the maintenance. So you can go and assign here, and also what you can do in order to manage this is to specify what is the next service date and also the warranty date. And here also, if your fixed asset is under maintenance, you can also go and specify this here, activate this field. Okay, so basically here is what you can do and what you can set up. And now what we will check now is like how I know that I need to consider the maintenance and what is the fixed asset that I need to execute this service in a routine process, right? That means the kind of maintenance that you can schedule. So let's go here, what we have in Business Central. As you specify this data, you can run a report and check the fixed asset that need maintenance, and then that you can do this correctly. So let's go here. In the fixed asset, so you have the option here, report, and you have some report for maintenance. So let's run this report that is maintenance next server. Okay, here you can specify the date, and you can also select some kind of fixed asset if you don't want to check everything. But in this case, I just have one fixed asset, so I will just run the report with no filter. Okay, let's wait for Business Center run the report, and here let's make this better. So here you can see that I have this fixed asset, and my next service date is 29 of December. So what I will do now is let's assume that I already did this maintenance, this routine maintenance, and now what I want to do is post this expense for this fixed asset. So what we need to consider here in order to do this in Business Center. So let's go. Okay, let's go back here. One thing that you need to consider if we go to the fixed asset is define what is the expense account that you will post this maintenance. So let's go here. Okay, let's go directly to the fixed asset. Maybe it's better to visualize from here. So here I have the fixed asset, and then I have here the posting group. I will just open and show you the account that is related to this. So if you go here for this fixed asset posting group, we have here the maintenance expense account that you can select what is the account that we will recognize this expense when we post the maintenance in Business Center. Okay, this is the setup that we need. Now let's go and post this expense via fixed asset journal. You can also post this via purchase invoice, but in this case here we will do this via fixed asset journal. So let's go here. Let's go to the fixed asset journal. Click in explore more, and you have here the fixed asset GL journal. Okay, so here I will add the date, that is today. Then what I will do here is select this fixed asset and then proceed with the. So is the type, account type should be fixed asset. You select the fixed asset, and then here you have the fixed asset posting type. So you can see here that we have some options, and in this case I will select maintenance, and also here we can select the type of maintenance that I am posting. So in this case will be like a routine maintenance. Okay, and what I will do here is just to specify the value, and then I will go to the next line and select here the vendor. Let's select this vendor, and okay, so in this case here the system will recognize the maintenance expense against this vendor. So let's proceed and posting this. What you need to do, just click here and post. Okay, the line was posted, So the good way to check this, let's go. Let's come back to the fixed asset again. Explore more. And then what we have here, we have some reports. Of course, that you can go directly to the fixed asset and see this, but this is a way that you can do this. So we have this report. So let's preview this. Let's wait a little bit to run the report. And then what you can see is all the data related to this maintenance. So the document, what was the fixed asset, what kind of maintenance, and what was the value. Okay. Let's go back and explore the other options that we have. So we have here the maintenance analysis, and also we have the maintenance details. So you can go and check this. So let's go to these maintenance details just to see what you can check here. We just have one fixed asset, but just for you to have idea what kind of report you can expect. Okay, so you can see here the fixed asset, what kind of maintenance was posted, what is the value, the user that post it, and also the posting date. Okay, this is basically what you can do and you can check, but what I would like to explain here, that is possible for you to manage the maintenance in Business Central, and also here we are recognize this expense, so we can go and check this that this value was recognized in the account ledger. So let's go here again and see this. But what I would like to let you know here, that is possible to manage the maintenance in Business Central using the standard process. So let's go here. So what we can do here, okay, fixed asset, okay. So I think let's check the movement. I think is the best way to check this. So here the maintenance that we have is scheduled, but I don't want to show this because this is just the process that you can post. So let's click here and check what was the expensive. So here I just have the acquisition cost. Let me see where I add this. Okay. Okay. Here you can see this, that you have the value. In this case here, the maintenance don't affect the acquisition cost, but you can go here and check what was the value of maintenance that was posted for this fixed asset. Okay, and also here, if you want, you can check the account ledger. So you can see here that in this case we recognize this against this account that is expense account. Okay, please let me know if you have any question. Please subscribe my channel and add your comments. I am more than happy to answer any question that you may have in relation to the maintenance and other questions related to fixed asset. Thank you and see you next video.